Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photopad tutorial how to add shadow. As example, I will insert text objects and you can set the names as you get. If you want to add shadow in this text, you can select the text objects and then you can go to text effect and you can check for shadow. So it will be add the shadow. To edit, you can click in here, you can edit for sharp, near and the other. For like shadow color, set into blue color and click. The other option, if you want to add shadow in image, okay, I will insert image in here. I will using this image, and then if you want to add shadow in this image, you can go back again into direct bar, and you can check for drop shadow. So it will add the shadow, and you can change for the shadow at this option. This for smoothings and this scale and the other. Okay, that's it for a basic Photopad tutorial, how to add shadow. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.